Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change column width on Wix step by step. I'll be working in the Wix editor. First, you need to select the strip that contains your columns. Click on the strip in the editor. You'll see a border appear around it, and a toolbar will pop up at the top. Next, look for the layout icon in that toolbar and click it. This opens the strip layout panel on the right side of your screen. You'll see a section called Column Proportions with several preset layout options. Now, click on one of those preset layouts to choose your column widths. Each preset shows a different proportion, some are equal widths, others have wider or narrower columns. The moment you click a preset, your columns will instantly adjust to match it. If you need more control over your column widths, you can click Customize Proportions below the preset layouts. This lets you drag the dividers between columns left or right to set custom proportions. Just keep in mind that if you have 5 columns, you cannot customize their proportions, they'll always be distributed equally. For 2, 3, or 4 columns though, you can drag the dividers to get exactly the widths you want. If you want to tweak the spacing between your columns, there's a column spacing slider right there in the layout panel. Drag it left to decrease the gap, or drag it right to increase it. You'll see the spacing change in real time as you move the slider. You can also enter a specific value if you prefer. There's a padding slider as well if you want to adjust the space between the columns and the edge of the strip itself. One thing to keep in mind, columns in Wix don't exist on their own. They're always inside strips, which are those horizontal sections on your page. So if you're trying to adjust column widths, you always start by selecting the strip first. Also, before you publish, preview your page and switch to mobile view. Columns often stack vertically on smaller screens, so it's worth checking how your layout looks on different devices. Once you're happy with how everything looks, save and publish your changes. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.